Azure Big Data and Analytics. When we talk about big data, we are referring to a large volume and large amount of information. This amount of data becomes increasingly hard to make sense of, and traditional forms of processing and analysis are no longer appropriate. Azure supports a broad range of services and technologies to provide big data and analytical solutions. Some of the most common big data and analytical solutions in Azure are Azure SQL Data Warehouse, HD Insight, and Data Lake Analytics. Azure SQL Data Warehouse. Azure SQL Data Warehouse is a cloud-based enterprise data warehouse. This uses massive parallel processing, also called as MPP. It is used to quickly run complex queries across petabytes of data. You can use SQL Data Warehouse as a key component of a big data solution. Azure HD Insights. There are several open-source software utilities, like Apache Hadoop, Spark, that facilitate using a network of several computers to solve problems involving massive amounts of data and computation. HD Insights will let a business run such open-source framework on its Insight platform. HD Insight is a cost-effective enterprise-level service for open-source analytics. You can effortlessly process massive amounts of data and get all the benefits of the broad open-source ecosystem with the global scale of Azure. In addition to this, HD Insights also supports data warehousing, machine learning, and IoT. Azure Data Lake Analytics. Azure Data Lake Analytics is an on-demand analytics job service that will simplify big data. Instead of deploying, configuring, and tuning your hardware, you write queries to transform your data and extract valuable insights out of it. The analytics service can handle jobs of any skill instantly by setting a dial for how much power you need. You only pay for your job when it is running, making it cost-effective. The Data Lake Analytics dynamically provisions resources and lets you do analytics on terabytes to petabytes of data, and you pay only for the processing power that is used.